so I beat the storm to the house, but it has just arrived. As you can see, the mountains behind my backyard are very dim, covered in dust. The wind is slowly picking up. The temperature has gone down, so right now it's not hot. It's actually very nice to be up here, and I think the winds will slowly pick up more. I think right now we are almost in the middle of the storm. As you can see, the west is covered now, and the north is also getting covered. There is still little blue in the sky. But it's getting little worse by the minute, and I hope it rains after this. So that's another dust storm in Phoenix in less than 2 weeks. People get snowstorms and we get dust storms in Phoenix.